Alright, so these are the instructions on how to replace the audio board in this little guy. It's slightly different than some of the other ones. So on this one, we're going to take this little back piece out right here. So we're just going to push that tab down. Like that. And that little piece will come out. And then your old board will slide out. Sometimes it takes a little coercing. There's your old board. That's your bad board. We'll grab our new board here. Like this. New board's going to go back in the exact same way. When it slides in, it's going to be kind of a tighter fit. So it should fit in snug like that. You can verify that everything lined up there. That looks good. And then we're just going to put this little piece back. There's a notch on this, and there's a notch on this. So you'll want to make sure you line up the notches like that. And that's it. You are repaired and ready to go. And you can just dispose of your old board that's bad. That's it.